Our most annual count, counting the number of homeless in our community, indicated that we have over 1,500 homeless individuals in the Fairfax Falls Church community. We're working with nonprofits, faith communities, businesses, and individuals to help implement innovative strategies to lower our number of homeless in our community. I encourage you to get involved in volunteering and connecting with local nonprofit or faith community to assist us in working with the homeless. If you'd like more information, check out our website at fairfaxcounty.gov/homeless. If you see an unsheltered individual during the cold weather months, please call the Fairfax County non-emergency number at 703-691-2131. Thank you very much.